As I remember, Adam, it was upon this passion. My father bequeathed me by will but 4,000 crowns, and charged my brother on his blessing to breed me well. There begins my sadness. He stays me at home unkept. For call you that keeping for a gentleman of my birth that differs not from the stalling of an ox? He lets me feed with his hinds, bars me the place of a brother, and as much as in him lies, minds my gentility with my education. This is it, Adam, that grieves me, and the spirit of my father, which I think is within me, begins to mutiny against this servitude. I will no longer endure it. Master Orlando, stay apart, and I shall hear how he will shake me out.
Now, sir, what make you here?
Nothing. I am not taught to make anything.
Marry, sir, be better employed.
Shall I keep your hogs and eat husks with them?
Know you where you are, sir?
I know you are my eldest brother, and in the gentle condition of blood you should so know me. I have as much of my father in me as you.
What, boy?
Come, elder brother, you are too young.
Put away hand of me, villain!
I am no villain. I am the youngest son of Sir Roland de Boys, and he is thrice a villain that says such a father begot villain. Wert thou not my brother, I would not take this hand from thy throat till this other had pulled out thy tongue for saying so.
Sweet masters, be patient. For your father's remembrance be at call.
Let me go, I say. I will not till I please. You shall hear me. My father charged you by his will to give me good education. You have trained me like a peasant, and the spirit of my father grows strong within me, and I will no longer endure it. Therefore, give me the poor lottery my father left me by testament. With that I will go buy my fortune.
Get you in. I will not long be troubled with you. You shall have some part of your will. I pray you leave me.
I will no further offend you than becomes me for my good.
Get you with him, you old dog. Most fool, I have lost my teeth in thy sight.